Lesson 4, Ordering Food.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome. What would you like to order?
Can I see the menu, please?
Sure. Here you go.
What do you recommend?
Our pizza is very popular.
That sounds good. I'll have a cheese pizza, please.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, I'll have an orange juice.
Okay. Anything else?
Do you have any desserts?
Yes. We have ice cream, cake, and cookies.
That sounds great. I'll have a chocolate cake too.
Good choice. Your total is $15.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your food will be ready soon.
Great.
After a few minutes.
Here's your pizza, juice, and chocolate cake. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
After eating.
The pizza was delicious. And the cake was really good.
I'm happy to hear that. Would you like anything else?
No, I'm full.
All right. Thank you for visiting.
Can I get a takeaway box for my leftover cake?
Of course. Here you go.
Thanks.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do. You can pay with cash or card.
That's great.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great day.